Do you struggle with cut creases? Then I've got a hack that will give you the most crisp, sharp, and a defined cut crease every time you wish it. So if you want to know what this hack is, then please keep on watching. I'm first priming my lids with the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand, and I'm setting it with the Sugar's Banana Powder. And to get those dramatic straight edges, I'm using a sticky tape. For demonstration purposes, I'll be using the Soft Glam palette by ABH Cosmetics in this video. I'm starting by lining my top lash line with the Magnet Eye Kajal, and I'll be smudging it with this black eyeshadow using my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. Then to cut my crease, I'll be using a spoon, and there can be several spoons available, but make sure you choose a spoon that fits your lid perfectly. Before I cut my crease, I'll be cleaning the spoon to remove any bacteria, and I'll start to apply some black eyeshadow at the edge of the spoon. I'll carefully align the spoon with my inner corner and stamp it once, and I'll be cleaning any extra eyeshadow in my inner corner with a Q-tip. Using a black eyeshadow, I'll join my liner to my cut crease. To further sharpen my cut crease, I'm cleaning up with a Q-tip and some micellar water. And I'm filling in my lid space with some concealer. This one's PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand with my flat brush. Picking up this nude brown shade on my PAC brush in the style 126, I'll start to blend the black eyeshadow. Once I'm happy with the blending, I'll be placing this gold eyeshadow on top of my concealer using a flat brush by ABH Cosmetics. Very quickly, I'll be revealing my tape, and I'll be cleaning up underneath my eyes using a concealer and some loose powder. Using the same nude brown eyeshadow I used earlier, I'll be smoking out my lower lash line with my PAC brush in the style 126. Next, I'll be filling in my waterline with the Magnet Eye Kajal by Faces Canada. To brighten my inner corner and my brow bone, I'm using this pale gold shade. And to finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that, I'm curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara. This one's by Mars. And for lipstick, I'm using the shade Nude Nuance by Maybelline. And for falsies, I'm using the Swiss Beauty lashes in the style Pixie. And here is the finished look. So if you enjoyed this video and happen to learn something from it, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.